It's like almost like on the tip of my tongue. Like I should know what that is, but I just can't think. Yeah. But I want to say a beaver.
It looks like a possum or a beaver, but a possum is like
a beaver has a big old paddle tail, don't they? Oh, how cute is that? But so ugly too. No, I've got it on my camera.
I wonder where that other baby is. Must have the same one. And that big one's the tail.
Oh, he's saying, leave me alone. Do you want to narrate? Narrate for what he's saying, thinking? Oh gosh, here comes the birds. Ooh, oh goodness. They're going to bonk us in the head.
Over here.
Oh.
Follow the thing.
The duck is quacking. Okay, so there's all kinds of different... Hey, Amanda, come here. So, what kind of ducks are these?
I don't know.
Now, I think I see a mallard, which I think that's what this green head is right here.
Yeah.
Do you see the one with the green head?
Yeah.
I believe that's a mallard.
You can Google them all.
What's that?
You can Google them all for that.
Yeah.
Because
Need to Google ducks.
here's the thing.
And then what's this? This one looks like a turkey.
It does.
I don't know. Oh, here comes our little thing.
That's a different one.
Oh, look,
It looks like half grown one. The other ones are down there. This is a different
gosh,
one.
look. Ooh, he's thinking I have some food for him. Uh-oh. Look at those feet.
This is another one.
Looks like a rat tail.
This is the same one as this.
So yeah, this one looks like a turkey. Oh yeah, there's another one up there.
Yeah, that's the same one that we just saw with the baby. It was just I just saw it crawling up the. Here's the baby. Here's the baby right here. Can we go to Fort Myers and get food for him?
No. Someone dumped a whole bunch of Cheetos up there that they're chowing down on. But that can't be good for them. Gosh, what are these big ones? Too bad Sarah's not here. She knows. She could probably pick all these birds and tell us what they all are.